class, this is Miss Leisure. Let's get our page set up. Page and date at the top right, and exterior angles of polygons is the title. Alright, there is our MCAS objective at the top, and then the objective that we're going to be working on today is this one, number 2. Find and use the sum of the measures of the exterior angles in a polygon. Alright, so we have an exterior angle. How do I draw exterior angles? Well, if we make that windmill, I think we've talked about this before, if we make that windmill all the way around, you can see here that there is an exterior angle, and there's another one, and another, and another. Now, this orange angle that I just drew, that is an exterior angle as well. However, the area in between is not an exterior angle. Okay? Alright, so here we have a pentagon, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all of these colored angles on the outside. And then we're going to move them all together and see what the measurement of all of those colored angles add up to. So, whoa, it's coming together and making a circle. Alright, so all of those angles add up to, you guessed it, 360 degrees. Alright, so copy these notes down, these examples down really quickly, please. Alright, so let's look at this. In this first one, those 3 angles on the outside are exterior angles, and we just talked about the sum of the exterior angles being 360 degrees. Now, if you want to spread those 3 angles, or 360 degrees out evenly to all 3 of those angles, you're going to divide by 3. 360 divided by 3. And you get 120. Okay? Alright, so let's look at the square, the rectangle here. Alright, so again we know that the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. We have 4 angles, so 360 divided by 4, and again the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Could you get that coming from the inside, from the interior angle here, the 90? Yes, you could. Okay, and keep in mind that that is for all 4, because we're talking about a regular rectangle, so all 4 angles have to add up to 90 degrees. Alright, for this one down here at the bottom, how many sides are on there? 8. So this is a hexagon. So we're going to take this one, 360 divided by 8, we get the 45. Again, the sum of the exterior is 360. And so that means that every single angle all the way around this is 45 degrees. So what's the secret to this section? The secret is the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees, and that is it. 360 degrees. So write that down in your notes, please. Alright, so pause this now and copy these examples. Alright, welcome back. Alright, so let's look at number 1. So in number 1, if I was to add all the exterior angles up on the outside, they would add together to give me 360 degrees, correct? Good. So, here we go. I'm adding them all up, 70 plus 60 plus 65 plus 40 plus y. And what is that going to have to be equal to? You guessed it, 360. Alright, so I go ahead and solve it and get that y is 240 degrees. Okay, look at example 2. Again, these are exterior angles, so what am I going to add them up to? You guessed it, I'm going to add them up and set them equal to 360 degrees. So here we have, I'm adding them all up, each angle. I set them equal to 360 degrees, and then I solve. 25x plus 10 equals 360. 25x equals 350. And x equals 14. Okay. Now, if you were asked to find each angle, then you would need to plug that 14 back in. And you can see here I've substituted the 14 in. 4 times 14 plus 5 equals 61. And I would do that for all of them all the way around. So 6 times 14 is 84, 74, 72, 31, and 38. Any questions? Guys, keep in mind that you can pause this at any moment. You can rewind this. You are in control of your learning. So here we have the end. I want to thank you for coming again to the Leisure Math channel. See you again soon.